If you need your bank statements for a loan application, expense tracking, or just for your records, getting them is incredibly simple right from the CommBank app on your phone. First, open the CommBank app and securely log in using your client number, PIN, or fingerprint if you have it set up. Once you're on the main account screen, look for the menu icon, which is typically 3 horizontal lines, located in the top left or top right corner of the app, and tap on it. From the menu that slides out, find and select the option that says Statements. This is where you can access all your account documents. You'll now see a list of your accounts. Choose the specific account you need the statement for. Then, tap on the Date field to select the period you want, like the last month or a custom date range. After selecting the date range, your available statements will appear. Simply tap the Download or Share icon next to the statement you need. The app will now generate a PDF of your statement. You can then choose to save it directly to your phone or tablet, or share it instantly via email or messaging apps for your convenience. And that's all it takes to have your official CommBank statement ready in seconds, making managing your finances smoother than ever.